how to change the photo in a Canva template. So for this example, let's look for a new design. I'll look for a poster. Here on the left hand side, you'll see a lot of beautiful templates. Let's pick this one, koalas. Very cute. But whoops, what if you don't like koalas? You don't find them cute? Whatever, I don't judge, but let's change it to a kitten. Maybe you're more of a kitten person. Here, go to the Photos tab. Very cute. Let's add it. And then the way you can change it is by first clicking it, and then you need to drag it over to the picture right here, and it'll automatically change it. You can adjust it by double clicking it. Here, you can move it around. You can also edit the image. Maybe you want to make it a little more blue. There's a lot of filters here you can play around with. Miss, poly. But what if you want to add in your own pictures? No problem. Let's go to Google and let's add in a picture of Honey from New Jeans. This one seems good. Let's save the image. Okay, saved. And then from that download right there, just drop it in right here. And then once you have it uploaded, just click it, same as before, drag it, and just like that, you can now replace any photo in any template in Canva. It's as easy as that.